Steps for choosing the right digital products to sell. This requires careful consideration and research. Here are some steps to help you make informed decisions. 1. Identify your target market. This understanding will help you tailor your product selection to their preferences. 2. Research popular niches. Look for opportunities where you can provide unique or valuable digital products. 3. Assess your expertise and interests. Assessing your own interests can also help you stay motivated and engaged in your business. 4. Evaluate competition and find a unique selling point. Tools like Google Trends and industry reports can provide valuable insights. 5. Consider profitability. Evaluate the potential profitability of different digital products. 6. Evaluate competition. Identify gaps or areas where you can differentiate your products and provide unique value to customers. 7. Choose reliable platforms or channels. Identify the platforms or channels through which you plan to sell your digital products. 8. Test and validate. This will help you validate your ideas and make informed decisions. 9. Create high-quality products. The quality of your products will contribute to customer satisfaction and repeat business. 10. Develop a marketing strategy. Plan how you will market and promote your digital products. Tailor your marketing efforts to reach your target audience effectively. 11. Monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor the performance of your digital products and make adjustments as needed. Stay updated with market trends, consumer preferences, and emerging technologies to adapt and grow your business over time. Watch our free workshop. Subscribe and see the link in our description below.